Most people think winter gardening is pointless because nothing appears to be growing. But experienced gardeners know winter is one of the most important seasons of all, not for plants, but for soil. What you do during the cold months determines how healthy, productive, and resilient your garden will be when spring arrives. In this video, we'll explore why winter gardening isn't about growing plants, it's about building soil.
Winter is the soil's recovery season. Throughout spring and summer, soil is under constant stress. Plant roots pull nutrients, watering compacts the ground, and microbial life works at maximum speed. By the time fall arrives, soil is often depleted, compacted, and biologically imbalanced. Winter slows this entire system down, giving soil something it rarely gets during the growing season: time to recover. Freeze-thaw cycles naturally loosen compacted soil layers, creating tiny air pockets that improve drainage and root penetration. This process mimics deep cultivation, but without disturbing soil structure or microbial networks. At the same time, earthworms and beneficial organisms retreat deeper underground, preserving themselves and preparing for spring activity. Leaving soil undisturbed during winter allows this natural repair process to take place, setting the foundation for healthier root systems and stronger plant growth later on.
2. Winter amendments build long-term fertility. Winter is the ideal time to add organic matter because the soil processes it slowly and evenly. Compost, shredded leaves, straw, wood chips, and aged manure break down gradually over the cold months. Instead of a sudden nutrient spike, the soil receives a steady infusion of carbon and minerals that improve structure and fertility. This slow decomposition feeds beneficial microbes and fungi, which convert organic material into stable humus. By the time spring planting begins, nutrients are already integrated into the soil profile. This reduces the need for synthetic fertilizers and prevents nutrient runoff. Winter amendments aren't about instant results. They're about creating a rich, living soil system that supports plants for months or even years to come. 3. Mulch protects soil life when plants are gone. When plants die back in winter, soil becomes exposed to harsh conditions. Wind dries it out, rain erodes nutrients, and temperature swings disrupt microbial life. Mulch acts as insulation, shielding the soil surface from these extremes. A thick layer of leaves, straw, or compost keeps moisture levels stable and prevents erosion. Mulch also feeds soil organisms as it breaks down, encouraging fungal networks that are essential for nutrient cycling. These networks remain active even in cold temperatures, especially under insulation. By mulching in winter, gardeners protect the invisible life beneath the soil, the same life that will fuel explosive growth in spring. In this way, mulch becomes one of the most powerful winter gardening tools available.
4. Winter supports the soil food web. Soil is not just dirt. It's a complex food web made up of bacteria, fungi, protozoa, nematodes, insects, and earthworms. While plant growth slows in winter, this underground ecosystem doesn't disappear. It simply shifts into a low-energy state, maintaining balance until conditions improve. Disturbing soil in winter through digging or excessive cleanup can destroy fungal threads and microbial habitats. Leaving soil intact preserves these networks and allows them to reactivate quickly in spring. Healthy soil biology improves nutrient availability, boosts disease resistance, and enhances water retention. Winter gardening is about protecting this unseen system so it can work efficiently when plants return.
5. Healthy soil in winter means less work in spring. Gardeners who focus on soil in winter consistently experience easier, more productive growing seasons. Well-structured soil warms faster, drains better, and requires less fertilizer.
Seeds germinate more evenly, transplants establish quicker, and plants grow stronger with fewer problems. By investing time in soil health during winter, you reduce the need for corrective action later. Fewer pests, fewer nutrient deficiencies, and less watering all stem from a well-prepared soil base. In essence, winter soil care shifts the workload from crisis management in spring to quiet preparation in winter, where small actions create massive results.
Winter gardening isn't about forcing growth, it's about preparation. When you focus on soil during the cold months, you're building the foundation for everything that follows. Strong soil creates strong plants. If this video helped you see winter differently, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants better harvests next season. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.